We are what we think. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts, we make the world. This is a quote from the Buddha. Thinking is the seventh dimension of wellness in John Travis's Wellness Energy System. How we think plays a large role in our health and wellness. Are you an optimist or a pessimist? Or somewhere in between? As you know, optimists tend to think of the glass as half full. They expect the best to happen. Pessimists, the opposite. They expect the worst to happen. Our level of happiness can change over our lifetime, but our tendency to be an optimist or pessimist is typically a stable trait. However, it's important to note that if you're not an optimist, you can move in that direction if you'd like. One approach is simply to write down the good things that happen to you during the day. For instance, even the simple things. I got to and from work safely. The sun was shining. A stranger smiled at me. Pessimists tend to overlook these simple good things and focus on the bad things. So instead of a stranger smiled at me, they focus on a stranger didn't look at me or didn't smile at me. Even the act of writing down the good things can help you feel more appreciative and help you look for them a little bit more. Other approaches are looking for any small improvement in a bad situation. Working really hard so that you're rewarded by achieving your goals, and channeling an inner coach who's there cheering you on during the really difficult times. Some studies have shown that optimism is related to the ability to use the placebo effect to help your health. As you may know, the placebo effect is an improvement in clinical symptoms as a result of being administered an inert substance like a sugar pill, and then believing that's going to help you, help your health. In a 2010 study, they looked at people who were ranked high in optimism. They asked these people to put their hand in a container of very cold water to induce pain. Before they put their hand in the water, they broke the people high in optimism into two groups. In the first group, the people had a hand cream, an inert hand cream put on their hand, and they were told that it would alleviate the pain of the ice water. In the second group, they had the same inert hand cream put on their hand, but they were told it was just a hand cleanser. What do you think happened? The results showed that the people in the first condition who were told that they had a cream that would alleviate the pain on their hand were more likely to rank their pain as low compared to the people in the second condition who were told that the hand cream was just a hand cleanser. Pretty interesting. The converse is also true. Pessimism increases the chances of experiencing a negative physiological outcome. This is called the nocebo effect. In a 2005 study, compared to optimists, pessimists were more likely to feel unpleasant when they were given an inert pill that they were told would make them feel unpleasant. I'd like to end by telling you about another study that maybe will drive this point home. In 2009, a meta-analysis was published, meta-analysis of 83 other studies. Their results showed that optimism is a significant predictor of a number of positive health outcomes, from cardiovascular diseases to immunological issues to cancer outcomes and physical and pain outcomes, to name a few. So the preponderance of the evidence strongly suggests that optimism can improve your health and wellness. So if you're not an optimist, but you would like to be, what one small thing could you do today, whether it's channeling an inner coach to cheer you on, working really hard so that you're rewarded by accomplishing your goals, writing down the small things, small good things that happen to you during the day, or something else to move you in that direction to improve your health and wellness.